Hola chicas.
Hola.
Wie geht's?
Yes.
Ne možeš reći šta ima?
Šta ima?
Nema ništa.
Ne še.
All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room.
Ej, dobro se je očka z S-Maxom zaganjal, a ne? Ti je imel lep dan.
Kaj gremo na...
Kaj, gremo v Ilirsko?
Ilirsko, ja.
Ok, prav. Pa šel ti spredi.
Every journey of ours starts with a stop on the gas station, but this time it was different.
Yeah, for some reason they didn't have the 100 octane petrol. I don't know why, they've always had it.
Yeah, this is a gas station that
It's
we
like
know.
yeah,
We've been there.
It's like a big gas station, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
And now I'm afraid that the smaller one that we're going
It's not going to have
is
it
not
either.
going to have it either.
Oh, fuck.
Well,
Filled up and ready to go.
oh yeah.
Finally found the correct petrol and stocked up on some energy drinks and some sweets, but don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. The borders have opened, but there's a slight congestion ahead.
Yeah. Can't do shit.
Post-apocalyptic world, feels like. How come we're moving and there's no sound?
This is the first hybrid GT3
Electric GT3.
electric.
We did it!
We did it.
We're through the border, and now finally,
On to the race.
a little bit late, but off to Grobnik.
Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new parachute. I got the attention. I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step. I got a fresh new attitude.
Is this our first track of the first track day of the season?
It is, yeah.
Are you excited?
I am. Hopefully the car is going to be fine. We do have some issues with the brakes because they're not issues, but they're just loud under heavy braking. So I think it's going to be fine.
I think you're good. Just don't jinx it.
My, oh my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my.
Wish me luck.
I'm leveled up.
Good luck.
And this is my world now. This is my world now. So any
Abo. Not that fine.
wanna try to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. New look, got the ladies shook. New watch saying it's my time. These magazines wanna feature me, cause they know I'm on the rise. Oh my, oh my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, oh my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So any
You finally got some good laps in.
Oh yeah, but too few, I'm afraid.
But how would you rate this track day, considering that it's the first track day of the season?
Yeah, it's the first track day, which is nice. It's tricky. It's definitely a 5 considering it's the first track day, and it's
A 5 out of...
5
Okay.
because it's the first track day and it's already May, so end of May.
Yes.
So as far as that is concerned, that's a 5. But otherwise, it wasn't as good because we didn't have much time and we only had a few 20-minute stints. But I thought we were gonna get 4 hours of driving.
That would be ideal.
Yeah, well, that's quite different than like 5 20-minute stints. Yeah, and me personally, I need a lot more time to get into the fields, you know, and start driving properly and with my like clear head and not just going at it like a crazy monkey. So that's just me, but I need a bit more time, which I didn't have today, and I will rate it 3 out of 5. What about you? Did you like it? You didn't drive this time, but
considering that this was the first track day of the season, it was fine. I would like to have maybe a little bit more of those with an open pit lane. But as far as the company is considered, we've had fun, a lot of fun with our friends today. So I'm really excited about that. And now we are actually on our way to the coast, the Croatian coast. Jerry is inviting us to dinner for his birthday, and we're crappy friends, so we didn't really get him a gift yet.
we do have a surprise for him.
We do have a surprise. He is wearing his gift. So we're going to the coast, and then we are going to stay at Tita's place?
I think so.
I don't know. So anyway, we're going to have a lot of fun.
Don't you let me down. I'm not a player, I don't mess around. You seem nice, I kinda like your smile.
Devuta prišla do naju, pa ja sam kak mate za parkirat, je u redu je za parkirat.
Jaz že malo živim. Oba se smijita, oba veta, da ni v redu. Kva?
A se imate dober?
Ja! Sam skrbi me, kako bova parkirala.
Več bab.
Ja, itak. I can't see shit, but can you tell me in a couple of words how our dinner was?
Oh, it was delicious.
Truffles.
The main theme was truffles. Truffle pasta and truffle steak, or rather, steak with truffles.
Yes.
Oh, so good.
And now we're driving towards...
Who knows where?
Yeah,
Who knows? I don't
we
know.
have absolutely no clue. But somewhere to spend the night. That's for sure.
I gotta feeling, you and me. I got a feeling, you and me. You and me, we go together like honey and tea. One, two, three. Girls like flowers, clever poetry. That old adage doesn't work on me. But conversation and a cup of tea. Boy, you had me at philosophy. I gotta
Možda sam ti gejte trojku. To nam zdaj na svoj rezin.
How was that?
Ja.
Won't you be my baby and stay with me? Tea from the cafe in the library.
Where we at?
Revenge. Yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes, so
Beautiful day, right?
we took a drive, slow tourist one, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I drove in the M2. Pretty fun.
Do you like the M2?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanna buy one? Why not?
Because I want to buy a vintage 911.
Okay. done deal.
Okay.
But it's cool, right?
It's cool, yeah. Like it slides through the corners like nothing.
Much more easily than the GT3.
Yeah, you don't
right?
you don't need to do a lot. You just
So basically, you're saying it's a
drift
fat-
machine. No.
drift machine for lazy people.
Odosek! Auto tu na fucking parkilišću, ne.
Amo fuknem kornet.
Ja itak pa da skljunom pola do gor. Ja,
Ej, to kada ga je postavil gor.
If I got it, then I bought it. Take a bite, cause I want it. And I know I got the taste for the cake. And I take what I make and I flaunt it. Down the side.
Kako?
Tako, najprej sem še rekel, ok, kulturno. Ampak sem dal z druge v tretjo, ka sune.
A ti si v redu, Jure?
Ja.
V redu, vse malo v redu.
Diamonds on my necklace. I live how I like. So look.
A si ti... Jerry, daj postop! A dobro čuti.
Ja, dobra, znajce. Slejkar gume, ja bolj. Sej, kaj je?
To pa je lokacija.
So looks is getting reckless. I'm feeling myself and you can't break my vibe. I'm feeling myself and you can't break my vibe. I'm feeling myself and you can't break my vibe. You can't break my vibe. You can't break my vibe.